is now. It wasn't my regular voice back then. There was Lens, there was the Saga, there was the house that you never shot in, that you almost shot in, and in the junction. You good, Don?
Yeah, we're good. The one I've always been with you is
Oh, on the swapping?
yes.
So these are all your lights and everything that you believe?
These two are my lights. The light above your head is not. We're not using it as studios.
So when she rents a studio, she rents this.
I've used that light before, but I like to use my own. But I use that one once in a while if I need an extra light. It's there. It's always set up. But yeah, they're pretty good. They you rent it for the day for $5 to $1.
I moved up to Stronger.
Okay.
You're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate, I attack.
I don't know why I was thinking it was along the Kiel Wilson area.
That's where I was shooting at last year. Before I came here, I was shooting at a house in Kiel and St. Clair area. And they had an insurance problem, and they had to shut down. Right? It was the week before your last workshop, where we did at that other studio with the TVs.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was supposed to. It was supposed to.
That was a
really good place.
That
It was a
was
cool
cool
place.
because it had a bunch of stuff.
And it was weird because I found that place on Pierce Base.
Yeah.
And I was back there once after that and did another pair of workshops at that studio about 2 months later. And then on their Instagram they said they were shutting down. And then a couple months later they said, oh, we're starting back up again.
Give it 100, don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing, I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity.
I don't know if it's the same guy. I'm not sure we'll go back there.
I know, it would have been cute.
I love her. That would have been.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Would have been. I thought about that too.
So you've been doing this for a while, Elka, too?
I was 19. I'm 26 now.
My first shot at Elka when she was,
2 years.
I don't know how old you were, but it was 2015.
I was
2016,
19.
2016.
Dino.
Yeah.
I was just starting out, so I was 19.
Yeah, I think it was March of 16. Back on Sterling Road.
I'm so gone. No, I'm never turning back. I won't stop. I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on. You're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. aftermath. When I hate, I attack.
It's a cool place.
So this is just like a sideline. This, obviously, the nursing is the full-time thing.
Yeah. Well, back then I have a full business degree, so I was doing that in the day.
Connor, you found that smart lady.
And he was doing water too, so we were. Both like just doing new things.
I formerly worked with water treatment operations for the city of Toronto and for Jordan Region.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
I was a director of public works for the region of Peel.
Yeah, so I worked.
So all the water, the sewer, that
I
all.
worked in Region Peel for a year.
Yeah.
I worked down at there's like a Brampton Region Peel.
Right.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the